Happy Easter!
What are you going to do right now?
I'm gonna Easter egg hunt.
What are you going to do, Ava?
Easter egg hunt.
Well, go for it.
East. Pink, pink, pink. Pink. Pink.
And wait to open them until you're all done.
Oh, RJ. Pink again. Wait, come on. Pink. RJ, is there any in here that's mine? Yeah, Willie. Haven't looked here yet, RJ.
Stinky.
RJ? John, look for
RJ, yours is going to be hidden a little harder.
$1.
I thought you were supposed to wait to open them.
Ava? Names? The Easter baby knows what? Names? Now, where did you say? Classic. Isn't there anything for me in here? Pink! Yes!
That's probably it in there.
Haven't looked on some. We haven't looked downstairs. Nope. Pink! Yes! Okay, yeah, pink. Yeah, pink.
Alright, guys, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say goodbye to people in the camera.